today?
I'm good.
Great. Are you ready for the Chinese reading test?
Yes, I am.
First, can you tell me your full name?
My full name is William Bushington Thomas.
Jack. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Where do you live, Jack?
I live in the town. The town is beautiful today.
And where do you study, Jack?
I study in the technical primary school. It is beautiful and big.
Jack, what do you like to do in your free time?
In the free time, I read comic book and go fishing.
Jack, are you good at badminton?
Yes, I'm very good at it.
And how do you go to school?
I go to school in my bike.
Jack, how do you stay safe when you ride a bike?
I always wear helmet.
Jack, what types of art do you like?
I do realize beauty
Why, Jack?
is beautiful.
Jack, what did you eat for lunch and what did you drink with lunch?
I ate chicken for lunch. I drank lemonade for lunch.
Now let's proceed to part 2. Jack, let's talk about your dream job. Jack, what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. And what are you going to do about your dream job?
I'm going to work at the hospital.
What are you going to wear? Going to wear?
White suit.
White suit. Okay. And what are you going to do to become a doctor?
I guess it's great.
You have good grades. Good. Now let's proceed to part 3. Let's talk about dream vacation. Jack, where and when are you going to go on vacation?
Da Nang.
When?
Last week.
Last week.
Yes.
The dream vacation. When are you going to go on vacation? Next week or next month?
Next month.
Next month. Who do you go with? Your friends or your family?
With my family.
How do you get there? Dana.
My money and cell phone.
How are you going to get to Dana? By plane?
My plane.
By plane. And what are you going to take with you?
Cell phone and money.
Money. And what are you going to do in Dana? What are you going to do there? What? For example, like you're going to go on a bus tour. What else? And no more after bus. That's all, Jack. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.